Oh. Well, it's official. I have received Surrender Dorothy. The official letter. They call it Notice of Order of Suspension and Final Order. Listen, it's a surprise. It's a new hurdle. But it's not a problem. It is definitely a motivation of why I have to finish this sooner. I'm gonna go on a bike ride to surrender my tag. I bought a commercial vehicle that I can't get insurance for, so I can't afford it, I should say.
Oh.
So until I work it out, I'm just parking it.
Okay.
So we're done?
Yeah, you're all set. That's your receipt.
Enjoy your day.
You too.
So I just got a mixed message on, is my actual driver's license being suspended? Oh my God. Complications, complications. I'm gonna build something here. Number one, I always like to pretend that every video, every vlog has a theme. I bought the truck, I did the demolition, I did the back, I'm doing the shower. Right. So I'm gonna pretend that by the time this video ends, I'm gonna have the lights, the puck lights on the ceiling in place. Although not the final placement, I've taken green tape and I've placed where I believe the lights are. This is going into an aluminum stud, that's going aluminum stud, but nothing in between holds it. Meaning, I can't have a light that takes out one entire board because that won't be connected. So I have to go into the sides. Just for reference, it's 109. This is the mock-up. So it's a 53 millimeter hole saw, and it's for fine finished work. Okay. See that right there? To me, this is not enough support on the side. So yeah, I will not go dead center. Does fit. Before I call it a day, you want to see what this looks lit up? Okay. Wow. I got 10 of those. All right, so here's what's happening. Look, here's the light. Positive, negative. These aren't long enough to go all the way around. So I have enough wire that I can make a couple of these. So I have to extend it. I have a heat gun and these, which will shrink wrap the wires together. There's such vibration in that roof when I get done. Yeah, simple screws, wire nut screws, which would come off. So we'll put the tube on here first and slide. It's extended. Another story. Well, I have a birthday coming up, and that's neither here or there. That's not necessarily the story, but it's definitely the mile marker. Right? It's one of those that are divisible by 10. And I know in my heart that I am so fortunate, lucky, and blessed that I have intentionally upset my Apple Cart. I have collapsed my house of cards intentionally. I have put such problems and confusions, and man, I've made life difficult for myself. And I know that at my age, God, how lucky for me. How lucky. Some of y'all, I hear the stories. If you don't make tomorrow different than yesterday, it's more of the same. Yeah. So I'll figure this out. I'm gonna make my way through it, and that's why I'll be that victorious at the end. But I am aware that, I'm not saying I was on easy street, but I kind of knew what tomorrow was. Oh man, woof! I have made life difficult, and I am so lucky that I'm me, that number one, I enjoy it, and number two, I know how to get through it. I am deep into the woods right now. It is dark and scary, and you don't turn around and go back, and you certainly don't stop. You keep going. You don't have to do that. Let's check that they work. Okay. And there's not a problem that I can't fix, because I can do it in the mix. I just don't want a problem. And I need to pay attention. You can watch, but you're on your own right now. Oh. So look, here's the hole. I've gone through the black. Look, there's a nice space before the installation begins. I'm pretty sure I can travel it down. Doing everything I can to not loosen the boards, because you only get so many times for a perfect fit. Okay. And, come on. Whoa! So then I can pull these out. Whoa! So there's 9 more to go, and I can guarantee you all 10 will not be part of this vlog, but let's see how many we can do. Guess what? Guess what? Guess what? Guess what? Woo woo! It's 102. And, oh man. Snug. Snug. So here's what's happening right now. I'm stripping out these wires. I've connected all the negatives. I've connected all the positives. You're gonna light this truck up. 3, 2, 1. Oh. What was so great about that? Let me tell you, when we began this video this time, I had so many unanswered questions. They wanted to, well, they did. I had to surrender the tag. They wanted to suspend my license. But the wonder and the worry I had going on was to get the electric lights in. Am I going to destroy my woodwork? And am I going to be able to feed the wires through? And I will tell you, we're ending this video with a feeling of confidence. Confidence. It's like the woods. You can't go back. You don't want to stay still. You have to keep going.